Welcome back to Dancing in the Kitchen. Obviously, you know why you're here. You're here to watch me make sushi. But did you know that I'm part Japanese? No, just kidding. I'm actually 100% Polish. So if you want to see this 100% Polish guy try to make sushi, keep on watching. So these are the ingredients we're going to need for today's dish. We're going to need some sashimi grade fish. So I have some bluefin tuna, Atlantic salmon, yellowtail, just hamachi in Japanese. Make sure it's sushi grade. If not, cook it. Usually you can find this in specialty stores. You need some nori, which is seaweed. You should be able to find this in the Japanese or the Korean grocery stores. We're going to finish this off with some spicy mayo. So you need some mayo, some sriracha sauce, sesame oil, also some sesame seeds for decoration, either white ones or black ones. Some vegetables. I'm just going to use some cucumbers that I sliced up. And we need some short grain rice. So this is Californian short grain rice. And I'm going to show you how to prepare this now. The first thing you need to do is you need to wash the rice. So let's take this to the sink. Okay. After you wash the rice and get rid of majority of the starch, we're going to put it in the rice cooker. That easy. If you don't have a rice cooker, you can cook it on the oven. So it's equal parts of rice to equal parts of water. All right, next, let's make the spicy mayo. So we have some mayo. It's about a cup of mayo here. And we're going to add some sriracha sauce to it. And as you can see, I'm measuring it very carefully. So, 2 tablespoons. I like it spicy. And a tablespoon of sesame oil. And just mix that up. You can also add green onion to this. Oh yeah, has a nice kick to it. Okay, next we're gonna cut up the tuna, the salmon, and the yellowtail. Do you know what sushi stands for? It stands for seasoned rice. So right now we're going to make some seasoning for the rice. I have 1/3 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. So I'm going to put this in the oven, heat it up, make sure everything is blended together. And we're back. All the sugar is dissolved. The rice is done. Out. Oh, it's hot. Okay, we're not going to take it out. So we're going to put the seasoning directly to the rice. Just going to mix that up. So let's start by making some sushi. So first thing, I'm going to wet our hands so the rice doesn't stick to your hand. Take some rice. And apparently I didn't wet my hands enough. to take a little bit of salmon. And that is an ugly, terrible piece of sushi. That's why it takes years and years for sushi masters to train and master their craft. So you need a lot of practice. As you can see, this will probably taste delicious, but it looks terrible. Let's try this again. A little bit of water, a little more water, a lot more water this time. Some rice. Better, it's not sticking. Let's try tuna. Piece of tuna. 2 fingers. That's a lot of rice. Again, not great. It's probably gonna be delicious. Let's try a yellowtail. A bit of rice. It's not rice, it's water. A little bit of water. Put this in a, squeeze it in my hands. Piece of tail. And there you go. Now if you want, also put a little bit of wasabi inside. Take a little bit of wasabi, put it inside, and then on the rice. Okay? Okay, let me make a few more. Now we're going to make some maki. We're going to take our bamboo roller and a little trick to make things cleaner and not to stick to your roller is to put a little saran wrap. Now we're going to put the shiny part up. So I have saran wrap on top of the bamboo mat. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some rice. Spread that out. Should be enough. Gonna finish that off with some black sesame seeds. Now we're gonna flip that over. Put a little bit of tuna. Some cucumbers. Some spicy mayo. And we're just going to roll it up. And there we go. Now you can cut it with the saran wrap. This way, it's a little trick. Keeps everything together. Now we're done. As you can see, I'm no pro, but doesn't look too bad. I recommend everyone try new things, try new dance, try new recipe. Keep on dancing, keep on cooking, and I'll see you next time on Dancing in the Kitchen.